Investing in and managing a health and wellness retreat is like nurturing a garden. It requires patience, care, and a deep understanding of what makes things thrive. Imagine creating a space where people come to rejuvenate their minds, bodies, and souls. That's the heart of a health and wellness retreat. First, let's talk money. Investing in a retreat isn't cheap. You need a beautiful location, comfortable accommodations, and facilities like a spa, yoga studio, and perhaps a pool. It's like setting up a mini hotel specialized in wellness, but the magic isn't just in the physical space, it's in the experience you create. So, budget for hiring skilled staff like yoga instructors, nutritionists, and therapists. Now, managing this retreat is a blend of hospitality and wellness expertise. Your guests are looking for an escape from their hectic lives, so every detail counts. From the moment they step in, they should feel a sense of peace and care. Your team needs to be warm and welcoming, experts in their fields, and passionate about wellness. Programming is key. Offer a variety of activities: yoga, meditation, nature walks, nutritional workshops, and maybe even cooking classes. But remember, one size doesn't fit all. Some guests may want a structured schedule, while others might prefer more free time. Flexibility is essential. Food is another critical aspect. Health and wellness retreats often focus on nutritious, delicious meals. This doesn't mean salads all day. Think creative, wholesome menus that delight the taste buds while nourishing the body. And it's not just about what's on the plate. It's about educating guests on healthy eating habits they can take home. Marketing your retreat is about telling a story. The story of transformation and rejuvenation that guests will experience. Use social media, a compelling website, and testimonials to paint this picture. Networking with wellness professionals can also help spread the word. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important. Guests are more conscious about their environmental footprint, so incorporating sustainable practices not only appeals to them, but also helps the planet. Think solar energy, organic gardens, and eco-friendly materials. Safety and cleanliness, especially in a post-pandemic world, are non-negotiable. Implement and maintain high standards of hygiene and safety. This reassures guests and enhances their overall experience. Now let's talk about the challenges. Like any business, a wellness retreat faces risks: economic downturns, changing wellness trends, and operational hiccups. Stay adaptable, keep an eye on wellness trends, and always prioritize your guests' experiences. Remember, at its core, a health and wellness retreat is about creating a space for transformation and healing. It's about offering a sanctuary where people can disconnect from their routine and connect with their inner selves. As a manager or investor, you're not just building a business, you're crafting experiences that have the power to change lives. Come back for more financial insights and tips, like subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.